This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. You can use ellipse to make a circle. Yep, there they are. Do this. Look at the code below that makes an ellipse. Add a new ellipse of a different color. Okay, well, let's hit run. Yep, we got a single ellipse here, like they do. All right, we want another one. So here it is. I'm going to just drag this out and drop it and hit run and see what happens. Oh, well, that's dead middle, but notice, why is it this teal color? Well, teal's up here. We tell the computer to grab some teal paint, and then it draws both these shapes. So if we want it to be a different color, I'm going to need to go zoop, and I'm only going to put it over it, because I only want this one to be that color. Let's see. Theirs looks more orange, so I'm going to switch this to orange. Make sure you don't delete the quotes, and hit reset and run. Cool. And like I was saying, right, so if I had this color here, the computer grabs some teal paint, then the next step it would do is grab orange paint, and then it paints both of the circles, so you never see the teal. And that's why we want it down here, just right above what we want it to paint that color. Great. Onward!